J'ai plus où en fait?
Non, c'est bon, c'est bon.
Ok, vas-y. Je vais le filmer. Il faut que je le filme en fait.
Ah, carrément.
Bah, il a envie.
C'est ça.
Il va envoyer ça à Washington.
C'est ça.
Je veux vous parler.
Allez. Ah, carrément.
Hello, Chicago! If there is anyone out there who still doubts that America is a place where all things are possible, who still wonders if the dream of our founders is alive in our time, who still questions the power of our democracy, tonight is your answer. It's the answer stored by a line that stretched around schools and churches in numbers this nation has never seen. By people who waited 3 hours, 4 hours, many for their very first time in their lives, because they believed that this time must be different, that their voices could be that difference. It's the answer spoken by young and old, rich and poor, Democrat and Republican, black, white, Hispanic, Asian, Native or American, gay, straight, disabled and not disabled, American who sent the message to the world that we have never been just a collection of individuals or a collection of red states and blue states. We are and always will be the United States of America. It's the answer that led those who have been told for so long by so many to be cynical and fearful and doubtful for what we can achieve, to put their hands on the arc of history and bend it once more toward the hope of a better day. It's been a long time coming, but tonight, because of what we did on this day, in this election, change, at this defining moment, change has come to America. A little bit earlier this evening, I received an extraordinary crisis call from Senator McCain. He fought long and hard in this campaign. He has fought even longer and harder for the country he loves. He has endured sacrifices for America that most of us cannot begin to imagine. We're better off for the service rendered by this brave and selfless leader. I congratulate him, I congratulate Governor Palin for all they have achieved, and I look forward to working with them to renew this nation's promise in the months ahead. I want to thank my partner in this journey, a man who campaigned from his heart and spoke for the men and women he grew up with on the streets of Scranton and rode with on that train home to Delaware. The Vice President-elect of the United States, Joe Biden. And I would not be standing here tonight without the unyielding support of my best friend for the last 16 years, the rock of our family, the love of my life, the nation's next First Lady, Michelle Obama. Shasha and Malia, I love you both more than you can imagine. And you have earned the new puppy that's coming with us to the White House. And while he's no longer with us, I know my grandma is watching, along with the family that made me who I am. I miss them tonight, and know that my debt to them is beyond measure. To my sister Maya, to my sister Orma, all my other brothers and sisters, thank you so much for all the support you have given me. I'm grateful to them. To my campaign manager, David Plouffe, the unsung hero of this campaign, who built the best political campaign in the history of the United States of America. My chief strategist, David Axelrod, who has been a partner with me every step of the way. And to the best campaign team ever assembled in the history of politics, you made this happen, and I'm forever grateful for what you've sacrificed to get it done.
Okay. I'll stop here. Thank you very, very, very much. Là, on a le discours. Là, on est vraiment... Mais c'est ça aussi. aussi. Enfin, je veux dire, vous aviez le choix entre des sortes de textes très différentes. Je suis complètement d'accord avec vous. On choisit un discours, on rentre du coup dans la posture de... Si c'est pour lire le discours d'Obama comme si vous lisiez les journaux, The Economist, vous voyez, et je pense que c'est vraiment complètement... Enfin, c'est in keeping with what you chose. Donc ça, c'est vraiment, vraiment bien. Vous le dites bien. Il y a 2-3 choses. Democrats, sur la première, et pas démo, mais Democrats. Gracious. Leader, qui est un peu trop... Leader. Grew up with... alors, je ne sais plus où c'est. For the men and women he grew up with, on the street. He grew up with on the streets of Scotland. Et puis Axel Rod, ce fameux... je pense que vous dites... Je ne sais plus ce que vous dites, Axel Rod. Je crois que c'est Axel Rod, non? Avec le O ouvert. Rod, oui, c'est ça. Mais autrement, c'était vraiment très bien. Et voilà, une vraie posture de discours. Et du coup, dans le rythme, etc. Donc, c'était vraiment très bien. Merci beaucoup. Qui continue? Je peux? Allez.
Tiens.
C'est un autre Obama.
Ça continue.
Oui, mais arrêtez.